All right, today we are ordering positive and negative rational numbers. So we're going to mix up fractions, decimals, percents, positives, and negatives. So is ordering positive and negative numbers the same as ordering positive numbers? Well, yes and no. There's some differences. You're still going to change them all to decimals or percents. But remember that negatives are different. So when you put the negatives in there, I'm going to put an exclamation. When you put negatives in there, it's going to change things. Okay? So first, let's look at them on a number line. So if you start at 0, which is right here, they're going to be small and they're going to get bigger. If you go here, the digits look small and the digits are going to get bigger going this way. But really, -3 is less than anything else on this chart. Okay, what's different about negatives? They go down the number line backwards. Okay, so -1, -2, -3. -3 is small, so it goes -3, -2, -1, 0. 1, 2, 3. All right, so let's put some in order. So we've got all of these, and we're going to go big to small, big to small. All right, so let's circle all of our negatives to get them in a different category than the positives. All right, so -1/2. That'd be -50%. 75% is already there. 2/3, 66.6%. If you don't know these by now, you need to go back and you need to look at that fraction decimal percent chart. All right, change this to a percent. It's -8.7. All we did is move that over twice. And then we got 9% here. All right, so we need big, 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 big. So we're looking at positives only. So biggest would be 75%. 66.6 repeating percent, and 9%. Okay, now we have the 0. We need to pick the thing that's going to be closest to 0. Is it going to be 8? Or is it going to be 50? So the closest thing to 0 is 8.7. And the furthest from 0 is 50. Okay, so now go back and bring it back to its original. So 75%, 2/3, 9%, -0.087. That's pretty close to 0. And -1/2. All right, always double check and make sure your negatives are in the right order. All right, if you have questions, ask your teacher tomorrow.